Hi there, it's Natalie Sanderson. I'm coming by to show you how you can share with a friend or get started in this business if you want to share with quite a few people and how they can get their orders. So it's really simple. First off, you log into your back office account. So this is what you'll see to start with. And you just want to close that away because that's showing you what orders you have there. Now, before you come in and start enrolling someone, you want to make sure they know what they want to order. So they might just say, I want the same kit that you started with. So under the Doterra website, you can see all of them there. They're all set up. The Home Essentials kit is absolutely one of our most popular. It's down in the bottom corner right here. Oh, the screen's going to let me go down. And that comes with the diffuser in our top 10 oils. Right next to that is the Family Essentials kit with Smart and Sassy. So this one's $174 and it's 5ml oils, top 10. And then this one is $330. These are 15ml oils with a diffuser. So that's really popular. And even now, ones that I'm finding really people love is the Seasonal Essentials Wellness Box, the Bedtime Bliss Wellness Box. These are all great ones for people to get started with. Or they can just get individual oils, which you can take them through and they can pick out their own ones. Now let's go back to the website of where you actually log them in and presume you know what they're already going to get. So when you come in here, you have Wellness Advocate Services and you can register a new Wellness Advocate. So you can go down that line and then click through there. I also want to point out you have my website here. So if the person hasn't given you all their details or they want to do it themselves, you can always go in here. Everyone who is a wellness advocate automatically has their own website. So you can see mine's there. I can change my business name if I like. I would have been Natalie Sanderson, but then I switched it to my company name. So I'll just copy that. I'll paste it into a new web browser and you'll see what will come up once it hits in there. I'll show you how easy it is. It'll give you your own little blurb which you can change yourselves and a picture you can put in there of yourself as well. It gives a little explanation. And what they need to do is then click join and save and they'll start running them through the process of actually how to order. So that's one method. Personally, I prefer to try and use the process where you will do it for them. I find sometimes first time around it can be a little bit more complicated, so it's just better if you show them how to do it themselves and you just get their details. So the main details, we'll go back, so you need to go to Wellness Advocate Services, register a new Wellness Advocate, and then we come down, you change to your region, so Australia, New Zealand, Japan, wherever you are in the world, you can pop that in. And if they're anywhere in the world, you can order for them. So it doesn't matter if they're in the UK, you can place the order for them. So you want a local order, unless you're going to order something out of the States, which is an option if there was something over there that you wanted to start off with, but most people do that way. Wholesale customer and wellness advocate, you have the choice between the two. Personally, I tend to enroll as wellness advocates because it just means if they ever have a mum, a sister, anyone that they want to enroll, they're able to do that immediately. You can switch between the two, but it just saves the process. Then we're just going to put in here, we'll say it's Jane, Jungle. Now, co-applicant would be like Tarzan, you know, like the partner, or, you know, if it was a business, you might have a couple of people on there. You can put Forest, Blake, and then I'll just put in, I'm just dumbing this one up to show you. So then there's Queensland we'll go with, put in a postcode there. I'll put in a local time, so you can choose your local time. I'll pop in my phone number. If you have any questions and you want some assistance, you can always reach out to me. I'll be happy to help. An email. Now this is the trick. You can't put in an email that's previously been registered. So I'll just put in info. No, that one's already one that I have my business attached to. Let's just say reception@lessactive.com.au. So make sure you definitely get the email correct because you want to be able to make sure they get their order. Then you need to make sure that they are over 18 and it goes month first. So let's say it's December. I'll go December 24, Christmas Eve. So then you do the day and then you need a year. Let's just scroll down. Where are we? 294. Now you can see already, because it's logged into my account, it's got my ID and my name there. I would often suggest, unless if you've done other enrollments before, that you would have a sponsor ID, otherwise it'll automatically be yourself. And you can pop that in there. Talk to your enroller or somebody else within your team. They'll give you assistance with this if you need to do it. If it's your first enrollment, just pop them there. And I've verified, and that's me. And then you create a password. It needs to be a capital letter and then a number. Okay, so make sure there's at least one capital and number. It needs to be 8 to 15 characters long, and then you repeat that. You agree to the terms. Come back up. Just make sure you select the shipping address. Put that in. Then we go continue. And this is where you're going to actually order your kits. So if it was a home essentials kit, you just go add straight to the cart. If, say, they wanted some individual oils, or it might be a Rush skincare or something along those lines, or Lifelong Vitality, the multivitamin. So you do add introductory enrollment packet, because you never want someone to buy at retail. It's way too expensive. You want to get the wholesale for them. So you'll need that. That'll give them some handy information. Has the stickers for all the oils in it. Let's say it is the Brush skincare, so type that in, Brush. That's popped up, and we'll say they're going to get a frankincense, because frankincense is great for skin, mind, and body. So we'll pop that in too. There were two options there. I quickly jumped over them, but I chose which was the essential oil, not the touch oil. I wanted the pure oil. And then you can see the total. So it's 153 point value. It's going to cost $225, but we want to view totals because there will be a little shipping cost on there. And the shipping is $7.95, but you get it back 8 points back, which you can use in 2 months' time. You can start to use your points every single month if you want to, but I usually save them up as a bundle. Have billing exactly the same. You can choose will call. If you're in Melbourne, you can do collections. Otherwise, you have standard shipping rate and payment by credit card. Then we'll process order now. And then on the next step, you just simply put in the card details, and bingo, they'll automatically get their order sent to their door, and you will receive an email to your inbox to say that they've been enrolled, and they will receive an email confirmation. So you can always go back and check that. So there you go. Hope that was useful, and let me know if you've got any questions about it. It's so simple, and it's a really great way to share with friends and family. A beautiful gift, and yeah, I think you'll be surprised at how well this will work for you.